Hello everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hiram. Oh my god, my muscles are so sore, it hurts to walk. Y'all, it is almost Black Friday and Cyber Monday, which means there are a ton of good skincare and cosmetic deals coming your way, and I want to fill you in on all the best ones that you want to take advantage of, because I already know there's going to be a million brands trying to get your attention, and I want to hook you guys up with the best of the best deals so that you can save as much moolah as possible. And let's just jump into them because I know you are in a rush and want to get busy with shopping, so I want to say real quick, if you are interested in supporting this channel while also taking advantage of these amazing deals, please feel free to use the links in my description box below. I would really appreciate it if you do feel like doing some shopping, as it helps me to continue making videos like this for you guys. All right, we're in a rush. Let's go. All right, so first up is Sephora. They are having select items be discounted up to 50% off, which is pretty good because normally the maximum Sephora does is like 30%. I found 4 different brands that are being discounted. The first up is First Aid Beauty. I have loved them since the beginning of my channel, and their Ultra Repair Cream is 50% off. If you're someone who consistently struggles with dry skin, eczema, or you also want a body care product, this one kind of does everything, and it was one of my very first, or maybe my very first moisturizer I ever fell in love with. It's so good. I've loved it for years, and it's 50% off. Now on Friday, and I believe this only lasts on Friday alone, Fenty Beauty is 30% off, which includes Fenty Skin, and the 2 products I have to shout out are first, the hand cream. I've talked about it for so long. I always have the hand cream with me wherever I travel. It's such a good formula, but also a recent formula I discovered from them is their overnight lip mask. As someone who is very picky about lip masks, I actually really enjoy this product. Super moisturizing, elegant to use, and these 2 products are definitely, in my opinion, the best products from their entire range, so take advantage. And then on Cyber Monday, which this one I'm the most excited for, they're having 30% off not only Youth to the People, but also Peter Thomas Roth. You guys know the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Superfood Cleanser has been my obsession for years. It's basically what I'm known for. I constantly rave about it, and they've recently increased their price, so this is definitely like the best time to take advantage of that cleanser if you've been eyeing it for a while. And then the Peter Thomas Roth Potency Eye Serum is my guilty pleasure. When I tell you it is the best product I have ever discovered for getting rid of dark circles, it literally works overnight. Insanely good formula that I've talked about in so many videos, but I always gripe about the price. But because they're having 30% off, this is definitely a great time to take advantage of that product. Sorry, I never film this early in the morning and my brain is lagging even though I downed 2 coffees, so wake up. Anyway, great deals happening at Sephora, and I would definitely recommend the Cyber Monday deals because I feel like that's where you're going to be saving the most money. For the next deal, of course, I have to mention that Selfless by Hiram is having not only a Black Friday deal, but also a Cyber Monday deal. On Black Friday, we're going to be 30% off, and on Cyber Monday, we're going to be 40% off. This is an incredible opportunity for you guys to start testing out Selfless products for a crazy low price point. If I were to recommend my 2 favorites, which is hard because I love all of them. Number 1 is the Retinol and Rainbow Algae Repair Serum. This is our most popular product for fading acne scars, dark spots, and getting rid of premature aging. If you're someone who's scared of retinol or have had bad experiences in the past, you're going to absolutely love this formula because it is so gentle yet effective at getting rid of that damage and super moisturizing. Or the Selfless Gentle Exfoliating Serum. I literally bathe my body in this because it is the only thing that will get rid of my body acne, but I also use it every other night to deeply exfoliate my skin. It makes your skin so glowy and clear, but I've never once noticed irritation from using it. I would highly recommend either of these 2 formulas. If you've been considering giving Selfless a chance, now is the time to do it, either on Black Friday for 30% off or on Cyber Monday for 40% off. You guys are hearing it here exclusively. I don't know if I'm allowed to share it this early, but it. I'm the owner and I want to give you guys a treat, so definitely take advantage of those. Next up is Dermstore. They're having 30% off, and if you're not familiar with Dermstore, they have probably the biggest selection of skincare products that I've ever seen in the US. When I was searching for the Black Friday deals and realized that they had over 3,000 products discounted for Black Friday, I was like, holy shit. So they have a huge skincare selection, but their top deals that I think you should take advantage of is first Paula's Choice, their 2% BHA exfoliating solution. If you've never heard of this product, I always call it the miracle product for blackheads, pimples, acne, It is absolutely incredible, has a cult following. It's 20% off, and Paula's Choice is on a bunch of different websites, but I feel like Dermstore is the best one to take advantage of because if you're planning on getting multiple skincare products, they have the biggest selection. They also have Medicate, which is a brand that is a little bit higher price point, but their liquid peptide serum is so amazing. It's one of my most recent introductions to my routine, but based off my research, it's like the internet's best serum for anti-aging and plumping and softening the skin. Every time I use it, I am blown away, and it's typically, you know, like a little bit more pricey, but they're having 30% off at Dermstore. So if you want to find an incredible product for fighting and preventing premature aging, I would definitely recommend the Medicate serum. Ooh, this one makes me so excited, and one that I am definitely going to take advantage of. Allies of Skin is 30% off. Now, if you're not familiar with Allies of Skin, it is the most expensive skincare brand I've ever used, but when I tell you that the formulas, the ingredients, the quality is absolutely top notch, I'm not lying. It's the only skincare brand of this price point that I would ever consider buying, and I have purchased in the past. Their growth factor serum, I've talked about it in a few videos. When it comes to a product for aging, I have never been so blown away by the results I saw from this serum that I instantly was like, I'm going to be repurchasing it. But because it's 30% off, I believe you're saving like $45, something around there. And now is the perfect time to take advantage. Ooh, also not skincare, but Olaplex is 30% off at Dermstore. I personally use Olaplex every single day. It's my favorite hair care company. That's a pretty good deal for them. It's honestly like their best. Regardless, Dermstore has so many products that you can take advantage of. I'll have all of them linked down below if you want to check them out. But yeah, super good deals. Oh my God, you guys, remind me to never work out this hard 3 days in a row again. If you guys want to do me a favor and let me know any supplements that have really helped you with workout recovery, I would very much appreciate it because homeboy is struggling. Okay, next up, ULTA is having deals as well. Honestly, I wasn't super blown away from them because from what I've seen, it's only 40% off moisturizers, but that's still pretty good. And if you want some moisturizers to take advantage of, they have the Skin 1004 Madagascar Soothing Cream, one of my favorite Korean skincare brands. This one is an awesome moisturizer if you struggle with redness, or the CosRX Power Essence is 40% off and the mini size too. So if you're someone like me who enjoys the Power Essence, that snail mucin experience, but you don't use it super frequently, the mini size is great because I'm gonna be honest, I still have like the first CosRX Power Essence that I ever used, and that thing takes forever to get through unless you're using it every single day religiously. So those are the best two products I found. I feel like if you're wanting to shop for makeup or hair care, ULTA definitely has a lot of deals, but not as much for skincare. I would recommend Dermstore instead. Nordstrom is having up to 50% off, and I'll be honest, going through their entire website wasn't a lot to find, except the NuFace microcurrent tool is 25% off. And if you've considered experimenting with a microcurrent tool, NuFace is one of the best out there, and 25% off, you're saving a good amount. Plus their mini size is 25% off, which I believe you can get it for under $200 for the full kit. So really good deal. Now I absolutely have to shout out Stylevana and Yesstyle. If you don't know either of those companies, they're based in Hong Kong and have the largest selection of Korean skincare products I have ever seen in my life. The majority of times, anytime I talk about a Korean skincare product, I'll be linking to Stylevana or Yesstyle. They have just the biggest selection ever, and they have amazing deals. When I was looking for this video, you can find all of my favorite Korean skincare products for like $5 to $15. It's amazing, and honestly, they have so many products on sale right now that I can make an entire dedicated video to it. So what my recommendation is go to my description box. I will have all my Korean skincare videos linked down there, and you can find all the best Korean skincare products, and they will all be on sale on Yesstyle or Stylevana. If I were to shout out my favorites, the Beauty of Joseon SPF 50 sunscreen or the SPF 50 sun stick, I have talked about those in so many different videos. The iUnique Tea Tree Relief Serum, or to be honest, any iUnique products, because they're one of my top Korean skincare brands. The I'm From Licorice Calming Cream, incredible lightweight moisturizer that I religiously use. Or if you have dry skin, my new favorite moisturizer, the Astura Auto Barrier 365 cream. So freaking good. I've been using it every single night for like months now. I'm not kidding. If you're looking to explore the Korean skincare skincare world, just go to my other videos, find all my top product recommendations, and you'll be able to find them on either Stylevana or Yesstyle, discounted at a crazy good price point. I'm going to be doing so much shopping from those websites, so you definitely have to check them out. Highly, highly recommend taking advantage of them this Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And then finally, we got to talk about the big ol' Amazon.com, the king of Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. The first product that I literally jumped out of my chair when I saw this deal, the Bliss Blockstar SPF 30 sunscreen, my religious sunscreen that I have used for years. Incredible tinted moisturizer-esque experience. Ooh, I'm getting out of breath because I'm so excited. Is 51% off. 51% off. You can get this sunscreen for $12, which is crazy because literally the other day that I was in the store, I had to go to 3 different stores to find this sunscreen. I paid $28 for it. So that's more than 50% off. It's $12. I'm not kidding, guys. I have 5 in my cart. I'm buying 5 of them because this is the best skincare deal I've ever seen. I'm using the Bliss Blockstar today. I am obsessed with this sunscreen, and I know so many of you guys are too. So definitely go to Amazon to take advantage of this deal before they sell out. It's incredible. The best deal I've seen so far. Well, besides the selfless products, but you get the idea. Haru Haru is also 20% off. They're an incredible Korean skincare brand, and if you don't want to shop from Stylevana or Yesstyle, they are having their promotion on Amazon. I personally would recommend the Black Rice Cleanser. I used it this morning. I love that cleanser for a deep clean, but also really deeply hydrating my skin as well. Ooh, surprisingly, Tatcha is having 24% off on Amazon, which really took me away because they're a very luxury skincare brand, but I would definitely recommend the Kissu lip mask. I have loved that one for years. Overall, I'm not a huge Tatcha fan, but that product is incredible, and I'm definitely going to be buying it myself. Oh, and then I have to shout out my most recent obsession. I am really late to the game, but I have been loving Medicube. I use it every single night. It's one of the best skincare tools that I've ever used, and they're having 34% off on Amazon. Great deal for a skincare tool that really does it all. You guys are going to be seeing an upcoming video that I'm doing where I test every single skincare tool out there, and Medicube is, I mean, it's one of the best. And then finally, for the very last product, this isn't a skincare product, but when I tell you this has been in my beauty regimen for years, I have tried damn near every single hairdryer out there. I have been in so many different hotels, salons, and I've tried them all, okay? And my hair takes a really long time to dry. Like if I get out of the shower and just leave my hair to air dry, it'll take like 6 hours. I don't know what's up with it. I have barely any hair, but the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer is by far the best hairdryer I've ever used. I know that's excessive, but I'm not kidding. It is the best hairdryer ever, and it is a luxury. However, if you've tried it, you know what I'm talking about. Absolutely incredible hairdryer that will last forever. They are having $100 off right now, which is a really good deal. Anytime I use another hairdryer, my hair feels very brittle, dry, unhealthy, but every time I use Dyson, soft, gorgeous hair. It's really amazing. So if you've been eyeing the Dyson, you want to bite the bullet, now's the time to get it. I promise you, you won't regret it because it's one of my favorite products ever. Whew, I feel like I was going a million miles an hour. My God, those are all of the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals for you to take advantage of. Like I said before, if you are interested in shopping any of them, please use the links in my description box down below. I'll have all the retailers and products listed down there. And then finally, I want to say, I know I've hooked you guys up with a bunch of different deals, but Black Friday and Cyber Monday are about getting products that you've been wanting to test out, that you've been interested in purchasing. It is not the time to just mindlessly purchase. I really want you guys to take a critical look at what you're buying, and I know it's a rush, and I know there's all the hype and frenzy around it. I don't want to push this hyper-consumeristic behavior that is so normalized during Black Friday. Just purchase the products that you know you've been wanting to try, that will last you a good amount of time, or that you already know you love. Don't just buy for the sake of purchasing new things. As someone who is addicted to skincare, let me tell you, no, I'm kidding. Just be mindful, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck on your Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping spree, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.